welcome back to my channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. So in today's video I have recreated this same look which is inspired by Manasi's look. So I'm pretty sure that you guys already know her, but if you don't, I'm gonna link her channel in the description box below and also the video that I have recreated today. So yeah, don't forget to check it out, and I really hope Manasi watches this video because I really want her to notice me. So this is the look that we are going to recreate today, and it's a very pretty lavender lilac kind of a makeup look. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. Okay, so before actually starting with the video, one thing I would like to tell you guys is that the products that she has used and the products that I am gonna be using are totally different from each other. I honestly don't have the products that she has, but I am going to try to keep it very close to hers, and I'm actually very positive that it will turn out kind of similar, but maybe not completely same, but yeah, we'll try to keep it very close to hers. So let's just start with the first step. For the reference, I'm going to enter her video right here. So yeah, next up we're gonna use the Nutriderm Vitamin E lotion. Again, this is my second bottle. Okay, so she had started off with a moisturizer. Now I don't have the Nutriderm one, but I have this Lakme Perfect Radiance one which I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my fingers and I will gently tap it on my face. Let's move on to the next step, which is the sunscreen. This sunscreen by the Face Shop. Okay, so she is actually using a sunscreen next, and the sunscreen that I have is the Lakme one. So this is the sunscreen that I have used in almost all my makeup videos, as you guys already know. So I'm just gonna apply it regular. Okay, I know my skin looks a little whitewashed, but it is going to be so does mine. For a while, let's start doing our eye makeup. I have something really purpley lavender in my mind. I hope I'll be able to do justice to the imagination that I have in my head. But let's start and neutralize our eyes. I'm using my Smashbox concealer in the shade light medium warm olive. Okay, so next step is the concealer. Now she has used the Smashbox concealer, but I am using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am gonna apply it on my lid like this. Now she's blending it with a brush, so I'm gonna do the same, and I'm gonna blend the concealer completely. So since we're doing our eye makeup, I thought I'd come a little closer to you guys. And I'm gonna set it with my favorite K-Beauty powder. Okay, so we're gonna set our concealer with a powder. I am using my Lakme Rose powder here. She's using the K-Beauty one. I haven't really tried that, but I'm sure it's nice because a lot of YouTubers have talked about it. So I am actually going in with the same concealer brush, dab the excess off in the same bottle? That's not a bottle, sorry. Alright, I've just put some eye patches. These are from Hip Hop. Okay, so she has put some eye patches. Now I don't really have eye patches, but I'm just gonna skip this part, I guess. I'm gonna do my brows first using my favorite eyeshadow pen. Okay, so before moving on with the eyeshadows, she's gonna do her brows first, which is what we're gonna do as well. So for my brows, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Precision Eyebrow Artist, and I have talked about this product in a lot of my videos. Now she has actually kept her eyebrows very natural, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna brush the eyebrows to make it look more natural. First, let's just put a really nice neutral shade on our eyes, which is going to be either this one or that one. I don't know which one is more pigmented. Yeah, this one's better. So we don't have to use a very dark brown shade that is just gonna, overpower the purple. Okay, so she has taken this very light brown kind of a shade. It's a warm brown, and I'm gonna use the same color, but it's actually from another palette. So I have this creative palette, and I'm gonna use that shade from this palette. Now I do have it here. As you guys can see, this is the shade, kind of the shade. Otherwise, we'll go with this one because this is also very close to the one that she has used. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this shade right here and dust the excess off, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. So as she has already told us that we're not gonna use a very dark brown kind of a color because we're just gonna use it as a transition shade. and a shade that won't overpower the lilac, the purple color. So I am going to do the same. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side.
So I'm gonna take these two shades from NYX palette and I'm gonna blow this shade all over my crease.
So she has taken a purple shade that is the pinkish purple kind of a shade. This is a little close to the one that she has used. So let's see if we could work with this. And then we're gonna apply it like this. So the shade that I am using is actually quite patchy, but let's see if we can work with it and blend it with the transition shade. Then she has taken a proper purple color, and I don't really have the shade that she has used, but I am gonna go with this one right here. I think it's very close to hers. So yeah, let's see if we can actually make this work. And she has applied this on her crease area. Okay, it's kind of similar, which is great. So we're gonna do the same, just gonna apply it just in the crease. I'm honestly scared that I'm gonna mess this up.
I'm gonna cut my crease. I have already made a video on how to cut your crease.
Okay, so at this point I am going to have to cut the crease, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna take the concealer on a brush like this, cut the crease.
Then I'm using this Huda Beauty lavender shade, and then
Okay, so now she has used this lavender liquid eyeshadow from Huda Beauty that I actually don't have. So I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shimmery lavender shade right here. It actually looks quite dark on the camera, but it's not. So I'm just gonna dig into this color and then I will just pat it on the cut crease. I hope it looks better. Okay, so it is actually quite dark, but yeah, this is what we had, so we have to work with it anyway. So guys, I have messed it like usual. This color right here is the one that I was aiming to go for, and I went for this. Wow, great job Runmay, great job. So just tried fixing it a bit. Okay, so I actually tried fixing it a bit, but it just did not work. So let's move on.
Then I'm going to take the same purple shade and put it on the outer corner, outer V, as you guys can see.
Okay, so she is going in with the purple shade, this one right here, and we're just gonna put it on the outer V. There is actually a lot of fallout, but we're gonna fix it later.
And I'm gonna use this Q-tip with some Bioderma
Then
on
she
it.
has taken a Q-tip and she's removing the fallout with it. So I'm gonna dip it into the makeup remover and I'm gonna do the same. Okay, so now she has started the base makeup and I'm gonna do the same. So I will just apply a little bit of concealer. And then I'm gonna blend it with a brush again.
Let's move on to the base makeup. There's a lot of work that we have to do on our eyes. Trust me, whenever you do cut crease or any in-shade eye looks, please have patience. It's gonna look weird in the start. जब तक आपका पूरा makeup नहीं होता, falsies, eyeliner नहीं होता, तब तक it's gonna look really weird. So please keep faith in yourself, keep working. Let's move on and do our base. I'm gonna use these two products. This is the Smashbox Studio Skip.
Okay, so now she's moving on to the foundation. So I have my usual Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm actually gonna try her techniques today. So I will take a pump, two pumps actually, because it really has sheer coverage. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps of it on my hand and then with my fingers I'm just gonna apply it like this first, because that is exactly what she has done. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna dab it like usual. This, I must say, is actually a very nice technique. See, this is the thing about Manasi that I really like, is that she has a lot of good techniques. Like, she has been practicing so much and has probably completely mastered the art, which is amazing.
Then I'm going to set my face using my favorite K Beauty powder. This is the best powder I've come across. Use it with the damp sponge because that way it doesn't give that cakey feeling to your face.
Okay, so then she is going to set the foundation with the powder. So I'm taking my regular powder here, going with the same beauty blender, and I am just gonna set it like this. Okay, so I don't actually have a setting spray, so I'm just gonna skip this one.
We are going to contour or bronze today. Oh my god, who's this person talking? Yes, we are going to, because when you do heavy eyes, I've realized that.
Okay, so next we're gonna move on to contouring. So I'm gonna take this brown shade right here from my Swiss Beauty palette, and then I'll just do my normal thing. Also gonna contour my nose. So I'm doing it with the way that works for me the best. So everyone has a different face shape, and everything works different on everybody's face. So I don't want to really, change what actually works for me the most. What looks beautiful on her won't necessarily look pretty on me as well. Might make me look like a potato, whereas she looks like a complete goddess. Also on my forehead a little bit.
I am gonna use my favorite blush now. This is the Calabar blush.
Okay, so we're going on with the blush. I'm using the same blush from the same palette because this really suits my face pretty well. Dust the excess off, and like she said, we're not gonna start from right here from the apples of the cheek. We're gonna start from a distance of at least 2 fingers. So I am gonna move on to the eyes because there is so much work to do, but I'm just gonna fill in my lips really quickly. This is the PAC lip liner. Okay, so she has filled her lips with a lip liner, but I do not have a lip liner. So I'm gonna go in with a liquid lipstick here. So this nude hue from Lakme Forever Matte is very similar to what she has applied. So we're just gonna apply it on our lips. Okay, so next she has applied the falsies, and I'm gonna do the same. So I have these falsies from Kalilis, and these are honestly my favorite. I've already made a video on it, so if you guys haven't checked it out, it's in the iCard above. And I'm gonna make it a little dramatic, so I'm gonna go with this first pair of lashes right here. Also, this is the variant C60. So I'm gonna do my lashes behind the camera, and then I'll see you guys. So I've applied the eyelashes, and they do really change the game. I am gonna take this purple shade right here, and I'm gonna just shade my lower lash line. Okay, so we're gonna take this purple shade again, and we're gonna smudge it onto the lower lash line. I don't actually have a nude kohl pencil, so I'm gonna skip this part as well. Some mascara on the lower lash line to actually open up your eyes. So our makeup is almost done, but I still feel that we should do thoda glitter on the lavender part. So I'm gonna take this, the other side of the Huda Beauty one, and I think should I do a liner or should... Honestly, I'm confused. I think I should do a liner with this. Okay, so she has used the Huda Beauty liquid eyeshadow to actually do a liner and fill the inner corner of her eyes, but I do not have it. So I thought I would go with this Swiss Beauty one. It's actually a silver glittery eyeshadow, but I'm gonna make it work like hers. Take some on my pointed brush, and we're actually gonna try to do a liner with this. So I'm just gonna highlight the inner corners as well. Highlighter, this is by Art Revolution Rose Gold Glow, and this is my favorite highlighter. Okay, so then we're gonna move on to the highlighter. And for highlighter, again I'm gonna use my Swiss Beauty palette. This is the highlighting shade that I'm gonna go for. So then I'm just gonna highlight all the parts that I usually do. She has also topped it off with a little gloss. So I am gonna use this aloe vera gel because my gloss has a little tint of red in it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the little notification bell down there so that whenever I come up with a video, you will get notified. Also comment down below what other YouTuber do you want me to recreate the look of. I am actually going to start like a series where I'll be recreating different looks by different YouTubers. So let me know who your favorite YouTuber is, and I would love to recreate their look. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay beautiful. Bye bye.